Hi everyone, my name is Andres Sages. I'm going to try to explain this video as fast as I can because I know that nobody wants to be stuck in a 5-minute video learning about my chapter. But I'm going to try to be as quick as I can. I'm doing worksheet 1, letter I. It's Dr. Alba's experiment breakdown assignment. Honestly, it's kind of like self-explanatory, but there's things that I was confused about. So all you got to know about the study is that Dr. Alba is studying that, well, she believes that increase in masculinity in women will help them be more successful at work. I don't know if you disagree or agree. This is what she believes. Now we gotta go with her rules. Now, she's gonna use students, females, women, from each of her class. She has about 5 classes, and it goes this way. She makes each group, each woman from each period, take a survey. Now with the first period, for example, there's actually 4 names in here. Her names are Tomasa, Ariana, Mika, and Carla. So let's just say Tomasa from first period. Let's just say she does the survey. Now she's gonna get the results at the end of the month. And when Dr. Alba gets his results at the end of the month, then period 2, which is Ariana, is going to start doing the survey. After Ariana is done doing the survey, Dr. Alba, at the end of the month, again, takes those 2 surveys and combines them and like studies them, the differences, similarities, all that. She checks the results, and she keeps doing that over and over and over and over and over again. Now I'm going to explain the assignment real quick. I was confused about the first the explanations. It says use the bullet answers below to fill in the column. You can actually do that. I thought it was just there for like, I don't know, like some type of like prank or something, but no, you can use that. First you got a little chart, and it says terms slash questions. The first 2 terms, one is population, one is sample. It's not telling you to literally define population and sample. No, it's telling you to define the population and experiment, which is women who work. Exactly, good job. And then the other term is sample. And which one's the sample in the experiment? Good job, yeah. The group of people who are participating in Dr. Alba's experiment. So the population is the women who work, and the sample is a group of people who are participating in Dr. Alba's experiment. We know who these people are. Ladies from her class, Tomasa, Rihanna, Mika, and Carla, yada yada yada. You keep on doing the same thing. You scroll down. Now you have a question saying what are different ways to get a sample for study. There's 3 different ways. There's snowball sampling, convenience sampling, random sampling. You got to define each one of them. You can get on Khan Academy and look for the differences. I don't think I'm allowed to tell you the answers. I don't want to get in trouble, but honestly, it's not hard at all. I don't want to say Google them because it sounds kind of like, but look what it is, look it up, and then define it in your own words. If anything, if you get it wrong, you can email me, or you can email Mr. Rivera. He did a feedback on my paper. I actually got a bunch of stuff mixed up, so it's okay to make mistakes. Then you keep scrolling, and you have the same thing. You have a bunch of bullet points that you can plug into the little definition / answer chart. You can plug it in there. Now it's up to you which one goes where, so you gotta do a little thinking in there. But it's not that hard. And on the third chart where it says study, you don't gotta use every single one of them, just a couple of them. And it's referring to the study, the experiment, just so you guys know. And then the last little chart where there's 2 bullet points, that's the easiest because there's only 2 definitions. So 2 bullet points, 2 definitions, easy, you use. And it's really self-explanatory. I feel like that one, that was the easiest part of it all. So yeah, it's easy, and yeah, good luck.